back from a long holiday. So today I'll make a simple recipe with tofu. This kind of silky tofu from Japan. And this is a stir-fry dish using my self-made doujiao, which is a chopped chili sauce. And now let's do it. Here we have this kind of tofu. It's in the packaging from a Korean supermarket. Now we just cut it open. Cut our tofu to squares. These kind of tofu are really soft and easily to break, so we have to be careful when we stir fry them. Try not to stir fry them too long and too much, so they will stay in shape. Okay, now here our tofu is ready. Now turn our stove to a medium-low heat, and we use a bit of vegetable oil. Here is a sunflower oil. Can put a bit more because tofu doesn't have any fat in it. And so our oil is hot. We can put in our garlic, ginger, and a bit of a spring onion. Just to stir fry it. And now we can put in 2 tablespoons of our chopped chili sauce. You can see the recipe in my other video. And we will also need some doubanjiang. You can use about 1 teaspoon. It's pretty salty doubanjiang. Stir fry it. Once it's cooked, you can smell it. It's really strong. Then we can add in a bit of water. This is making a kind of spicy sauce for our tofu. Now we can put in the tofu we cut it earlier. Just be careful not to break them when we're putting into the pot. Okay, slowly. So gently break them. And turn our heat to low. And put our lid down and cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes. While this cooking, just to tell you guys a bit of my current situation, I'm having some new lights in place and my new tripod. So I will be trying to film myself in the future, and this video will be the first one I'm filming with my new tripod and my new camera. so you will see a totally different quality from now on. Hope you will like it, and don't forget to leave your comments below. And well, let it cook. So we're trying to reduce the sauce, and don't stir it too often so you will break the tofu. You can just kind of swing your pot back and forth. Make sure all the tofu soak in the soup base. And we don't need any salt in this stir-fry recipe because the chopped chili sauce is salty and doubanjiang is also salty. If you find your sauce is particularly salty, you can also put in a bit of sugar to balance the taste. So you have to try it once it's done. Now you can see our sauce is getting a bit thicker, and it's reduced a lot. Now I can turn off our heat. Now I can transfer it to a bowl. I have to be careful because this tofu are easy breakable, so I prefer to do this way. Okay. Now we can put a bit of spring onion on top, a bit of coriander, if you like, you can also put a bit of peppercorn. Grounded Szechuan peppercorn or 5-spice powder. I have a video on that too, but here I will just use some Chinese grounded pepper. Okay. Now you have it. Now my stir-fried chopped chili tofu is ready. You can see. So it has lots of sauce, and the sauce is the best of this dish. You can eat this with rice or noodle or congee. And it's a bit salty because of doubanjiang. Now I'm using my new spoon. This is a wedding present from my cousin. It's made from wood. So let's give it a try. The tofu is really soft, and the chopped chili sauce really gave the heat of this dish. And hope you like my video. Please, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave your comments below. If you want to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. See you next time.